Welcome to another video and another review. This time I'm reviewing the Logitech K400 Plus Wireless keyboard. There are plenty of wireless keyboards out there, but this one is very affordable and it just do the job. So without further ado, let's go to the details. First, let's see what's in the box. Well, there is not that much. First, you will find the keyboard itself and a small USB dongle. It is the wireless transmitter and receiver that will let your Logitech connect to your devices. As you can see, the K400 Plus works on AA batteries, and in order to put it into work, you need to remove this small yellow paper. It is here just to prevent draining the batteries when the device is in stock. On the design department, the K400 Plus wireless keyboard looks really clean and small enough to be portable in your backpack or even in your hands. It is very lightweight, so you can bring it anywhere with you. On the back of it, you can see this small switch. It is here to power it on and off. You will see a red color if it is off, and it will turn to green when it is on. And here is something to know. Those colors are not real lights, they are just colored plastic materials. On the front of the keyboard, you will find the integrated trackpad, so you can get rid of your mouse, and of course, all the letters you need to type your words. On the top of the trackpad, there are 3 volume control buttons, and on the left corner, the yellow button can replace the left button of your mouse. This really helps a lot with navigating more comfortably while sitting in your bed or couch. But I really miss one feature here. It is the Backlit Keys, but for this cheap price you cannot hope for more, but you still can get its older brother, the K800, for this option. I will leave a link for it below. Now let's take a look on how this thing works. I will show you this on my Windows PC. First, you need to plug the small wireless USB dongle that came with the package. This is mandatory for your PC in order to detect the keyboard. After that, turn on the K400 Plus from the hardware button. And just like magic, the keyboard will start working without the need of any other software. Just press the buttons to type on your PC or use the trackpad to navigate the display. For macOS users out there, it is the same procedure as on the PC. Other than your PC, you can use the K400 Plus to navigate your smart TV too. You can also use it on your Android tablet or smartphone. But first, you need to get a USB adapter so you can plug the dongle on your Android device. I left a link for the USB adapter in case you want to get it. I use this keyboard a lot when I'm lying on my bed and when the PC is far away from me, and I can navigate YouTube and chat with friends very comfortably. The K400 Plus keyboard is available on Amazon with a very reasonable price. I left a link on the description so you can get it. Hope you enjoyed this review, and don't forget to leave a thumbs up as this will help the channel a lot. See you in the next one.